Hello, students. Let's talk about organizing paragraphs. Okay, so in this lesson, it talks about paragraph can really have any number of sentences, but must develop one main idea. So typically, you're going to have more than one sentence, right, in a paragraph. But the whole 3 to 5 sentence kind of rule of thumb is good, but it's not a hard and fast rule. Typically. So, we want to think of a paragraph as kind of a miniature essay. There should be kind of the development in the same way. There should be examples, there should be comparisons, explanations, arguments, or reasons should be given, and all of that should support the topic sentence. Okay, again, we have a lovely graphic here, some steps on constructing a paragraph. So firstly, we want to figure out your topic sentence. What are you going to be writing about? What is the subject of the paragraph? You're going to develop or kind of elaborate on that topic sentence by using sentences that give examples or comparisons or, arguments. You're going to elaborate. You're going to figure out your kind of your argument. Then you're going to organize those sentences in a way that makes sense. You can organize them by importance, or maybe if you're describing steps to take, you would put them in the right order, things like that. You'll want to double check, make sure that you're not including sentences that don't clearly and directly support the topic sentence. Stay focused. Don't ramble in your paragraphs. Then you can wrap each paragraph up by kind of summarizing or referring back to the topic sentence. I may have told you something like this when we talked about your essay, your research paper. It's okay to reuse language from your thesis throughout your paper so your reader can kind of follow along. Same goes with a paragraph. It's okay to reuse some of the wording from your topic sentence so your reader is like, oh yeah, that's what she's talking about. I gotcha. Okay, then you're going to begin the next paragraph. Anytime you want to change one of these things, the time, the point of view, the place, these are the times or the situations in which you would change to a new paragraph. Okay, you can also use some connectives and transitions to join paragraphs and sentences. So it can be one paragraph to another, or within the same paragraph, you can be using transitions and connectives. One way to do that is to repeat keywords or patterns from previous sentences. Another way is to refer back to the topic being discussed, with words such as this or these. You want to make sure you're using pronouns with antecedents in previous sentences and paragraphs. So if you say something like, Bill is an excellent snowboarder, period. This is why he went to the Olympics, period. If this is your pronoun, you're referring back to an antecedent, Bill, from a previous sentence. And in that way, you're joining or connecting these two sentences. Okay, you can also use conjunctions or adverbs with appropriate meanings. All of these guys are different conjunctions or different adverbs that mean different things, right? If you want to add ideas, use something like more or besides or in the same way. If you want to show time, you might say something like while or meanwhile or now, and so on and so forth. And then finally, in regards to connectives and transitions, make sure that the contents of your sentences or paragraphs are related. Stay focused. No repetition, connectives, or transitions can tie together unrelated ideas in a logical manner. No matter how many conjunctions you use, if you've got, Bill is an excellent snowboarder, period, Mary likes ice cream, there's no logical way to connect those two things. Okay, if you have questions on this one, make sure to reach out.